In the quaint town of Meadowbrook, Jess Bejos was known for her enigmatic presence. Her days were filled with the gentle hum of the local bookstore, where she worked as the keeper of stories. Jess had a way of breathing life into words, making characters dance off the pages and into the hearts of the readers who frequented her little haven. Her love affair with books began in childhood, under the towering oak tree in her backyard. The rustling leaves served as a symphony to the tales she devoured, transporting her to far-off lands and magical realms. Jess's parents, understanding the power of stories, nurtured this passion, paving the way for her destiny as a storyteller. As she matured, Jess found herself drawn to the unexplored corners of literature. Ancient myths, forgotten legends, and dusty manuscripts whispered secrets to her eager ears. Her curiosity led her to a mysterious book hidden in the depths of the bookstore, a book that seemed to hold the key to an untold adventure. One fateful evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, casting a warm glow over Meadowbrook, Jess opened the peculiar book. Its pages were filled with an ancient script that seemed to shimmer with an otherworldly light. Unbeknownst to her, she had stumbled upon the chronicles of a forgotten realm, a world woven between the fabric of reality and dreams. With each turned page, Jess was pulled into a realm of magic and mystery. She discovered that she was not merely a reader, but a chosen one, destined to bridge the gap between two worlds. The once familiar town of Meadowbrook now held secrets that unfolded before her eyes. Embracing her newfound destiny, Jess began a journey filled with challenges and wonders. Alongside mythical creatures and ancient guardians, she embarked on a quest to restore balance to the delicate harmony between the worlds. Her bookstore became a portal, a gateway for the fantastical to seep into the everyday. As word spread of Jess Bejos and her extraordinary adventures, the people of Meadowbrook marveled at the magic she brought to their lives. The once sleepy town blossomed into a hub of creativity and imagination, drawing dreamers and seekers from near and far. Yet, with great power came great responsibility. Jess faced adversaries who sought to exploit the connection she held between the realms. Dark forces, jealous of the enchantment she brought to Meadowbrook, sought to sever the ties she had forged. In the midst of chaos, Jess found allies in unexpected places, a quirky inventor who crafted fantastical gadgets, a wise sage who guided her with ancient wisdom, and a group of misfit friends who stood by her side. Together, they formed an unbreakable bond, a fellowship determined to protect the town and its newfound magic. As the final confrontation loomed, Jess confronted the shadows that threatened to engulf both worlds. The battle between light and darkness played out not only in the mystical realms, but also within Jess herself. She discovered strength she never knew she possessed, a strength fueled by the love and courage of those who believed in her. In a climactic moment beneath the same oak tree where her journey began, Jess faced the ultimate test. With the support of her friends and the magic coursing through her veins, she emerged victorious. The once hidden book, now glowing with a radiant light, sealed the gateway between the worlds, ensuring a delicate balance that would endure for generations to come. Meadowbrook returned to its serene state, but it bore the marks of Jess Bejos's extraordinary tale. The townsfolk continued to cherish the magic that lingered, forever grateful for the enchanting chapters she had written in the book of their lives. Jess, now a keeper of not only stories, but also the threads that connected reality and fantasy, smiled as she closed the bookstore at the end of each day, knowing that the magic within its walls would endure, just like the tales she so dearly loved.